All right, I'm pulling into Genung's. Got my Genung's hat on to represent. We're gonna get some shrimp. Here we go. Well, guys, this is pretty cool. I'm here at Genung's, like we see. We've got our Yeast Coast Baking Company food truck. There's Keith. Hey, you're the owner, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Keith's the owner. And we got some, what was it, pizzas?
Wood fire pizzas.
Wood fire pizzas. What else we got?
Sandwiches and some salads, and this is our 4th week here, so we're just going to keep expanding as we grow.
And how late are you open?
We're here right now. We're here 11 to 6 Wednesday through Sunday. Going to expand on that, of course, as we grow.
Keith, my man. All right, I'm going to order something. What should I order?
Well, right now the most popular one is the Boogie board.
Okay. Let's get a Boogie board. That's it. We'll just go. We'll start with that Boogie board.
Got it.
Cool. Thanks, man. Oh man, that looks fantastic. Here you go, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow. This reminds me of that one bite, everybody knows the rules thing, but it's not. Check this out. Ooh. Wood fire. Oh, sausage is super good. Holy crap. Oh, it's top and bottom hot. Very good. Is that fresh mozzarella?
Yes.
That's fresh, guys. That's fresh.
Fresh ones.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, man. This is delicious. Come on, get in there real quick. Keith, there he is.
Come on down, see us, guys.
Hey,
I'll make a pizza for you, just like this. See ya.
Let me get our launch on. Launching from underneath the 206 bridge. Just reeled in a net. If anybody's missing a net, let us know. Awesome, nice catch. A net fish. Yeah. I'm sorry, I gotta get this on video. My line is in a tree.
Oh no, it's a fucking weak fish.
What is it?
It's a weak fish.
Dude, it is hanging from the tree.
I don't think it's a fish. Alright, hang on. Captain, you gonna go swimming?
Are you gonna save the day? Let him live a little bit. There you go. I caught a fish and it's in a tree. God dang it. I knew that would happen too. That's crazy. Can you guys see this? Are you going after it?
Yeah. You want a hand or you got this?
See if he'll pull me out of the tree.
Yeah, I'm just gonna grab it. Okay. It comes off, it comes off.
This is insane. Here, let me push it. Good. Follow.
Push him off the boat home.
Yeah, this is insane.
We need
I can't believe this is happening right now. Don't get away. Is it a red?
Red.
Caught a redfish, and right now Captain is having to like basically flounder gig his way to get this line off this tree because the wind blew it into the tree. This is insane. Hey, maybe just grab the fish. Save the... Yeah. Yeah, let him go. Save the fish's life. Here, I'll give you some. Awesome. Caught a fish. That was crazy. Keep getting these like 10 to 12 mile per hour gusts that just blow the line. I'm only using 10-pound test. Keeping it real light. Fish on. There we go. That's a nice one. I don't think she's a keeper though. She might be. We'll go get it measured up. All right.
Measuring stick on the rod.
Oh yeah, I love that. So far they like this Slam Shady. We'll get this guy back. Go ahead. Swim off. There she goes. Oh my God, that is a giant snake. Holy sh It's completely orange. You want me to pick it up?
Are you still on?
No, he's still on.
Very good.
Can I get this on video or no?
I don't care.
Okay. What we got? What we got? What we got? What do we got?
Yeah, that's a nice little drumming.
Oh, you got a black drum. Bring him in, Tim. Get the net.
Oh, beyond.
Hey, hey.
Beautiful. All right, Captain. Get you some.
All right. Yeah, that's definitely a keeper.
Yeah.
We got some dinner.
20 incher.
No.
That's a nice black drum. All right, they're rolling through. Is that female?
Well, those are eggs.
Oh, yeah. Well, I dare you to eat them. We got some hot sauce.
Nice.
All right. Okay, you want to measure it?
Oh no!
Yeah! Captain.
Well, there you go. And we're going to keep going. It's the Diezel. Well, the Diezel minnow here. This is from Z-Man. Got the Fish Bites jig head. Let's go.
Okay, Michael.
And we got ourselves a flatty. Look at that sucker. Yeah, baby. Can I use your rod holder? Somewhere.
Yeah, no. Right there. Right on there.
Yeah. Last up here on the cooler.
Forget it. I'm going over here. Got ourselves a pretty decent sized flounder here. This was on the Diezel minnow. Pretty good size. Nice size flounder. Man, what do you think about that? All right, it's going in the box. Man, I didn't know if I was rolling or not. I almost made a great mistake. Well, we got ourselves a nice keeper sized trout. We are kind of camping out here, so we are going to be cooking this guy for dinner. There we go. That's on the Slam Shady. So, got ourselves a nice little Slam Shady. Put this guy on the stringer and get back to fishing. Yeah, got my little stringer going. God. This is some slime. Yeah. Hey, another flounder. Yeah, we'll get this guy back. This was on the Diezel minnow too. There we go. There we go. Nice little guy. All right. We'll see you later, buddy. There we go. There we go. He's off. Yeah, so right now I'm just slowly bouncing this Z-Man Diezel minnow off the ground using a jig head. So far I've got 2 flounder doing that. Oh, here we go. Here's another one. I'm getting splashed all over. Yeah. Man, we're just crushing the flounder. They have to be 14 in the state of Florida to be legal. So we're gonna go measure this guy up. Looks decent, looks decent. Get away from me. Yeah. Oh, flounder. All right.
Oh, annoying. Where you at, Captain?
They're coming in. All right. Oh, I think there's a black drum. Yeah, that's a baby black drum.
I've never seen one that small.
Tiny little black drum. Beautiful. Gosh. Circle hook doing the magic. Told you there's a little deep pocket right here. Oops. Croaker here.
Atlantic croaker.
It's an Atlantic croaker?
Yeah.
Weakfish look almost just like a trout.
Oh, no. What is that? See, that looks like a croaker. The other one was so white.
Well, it had the same yellow fin.
Yeah. It just freaks me out because it was so white.
Micro. Oh, the sheepy.
Oh, it's a tiny sheep's head. All right. Cool. What was that on? That was shrimp?
Yep.
Shrimp. Let's throw the fish right on it. Dude, now's the time to harvest some oysters, Tim, if you want to make a little appetizer.
I'll make you an appetizer.
Yeah? Put it on video? I heard him say he'll do it. Come on, bro.
I don't know how you can have one.
It's gonna scare all the fish away. Going over there, all right. Oh no, he's coming through here.
Yeah, no, it goes.
Yeah, he'll come through here.
It's an F. This creek. I mean, it goes up back.
Don't touch that. That will poison you.
Okay, hold the pole, yeah. You know, we could eat this.
That's negative. Rubber duck.
When you're out fishing somewhere, what kind of music should you be listening to? Something catchy? Yeah! Hey Sandman, Uncle Carrie here. I'm sending you some more crawdad tunes. Keep it reelin'. Absolutely, man.